ask Ty and just be like, please tell me that was your drone and the sidewalk on fire and flying around like over playgrounds and stuff. Hey. That's a good one.
4th of July celebration.
Hey, wait, what is this? Just a video?
Yeah, I'm recording it. Look how it's virtually freaking icy.
Virtually icy.
Look at this, see? It's icy coming out.
Wow.
It's blue ice.
No, eat the jerk, There's a guy chasing me by the name of Arbor Huff. He's chasing me. He's chasing me.
I did that to Robbie.
He's chasing me. Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me.
Get that chick up. Crap. Wasted half a minute on commentary. Come here! Oh, looks like my friend. How do you turn the freaking flashlight on this thing?
You don't. There is none.
But there is like some sort of flashlight thing right here.
In our yard.
Sorry guys, the screen is extremely blue. That's what the electricity sounds.
You can see it. That's cool.
That's a weird black dog.
So
Is that air protection from Scout Camp?
no.
That's
Yeah,
air
he stole it
protection.
from the shooting range.
Oh wow.
He's such a
Oh wow. I bet he stole some cleaning tools, like some cleaning oil. My mom has some cleaning oil that I can use for my musket.
My hair?
My mom said that if I wanted to clean my musket, I can use her cleaning oil. So
You don't have a musket?
no, it's in construction.
No.
I
I'm
said
letting you use it because it's probably not going to be made. Arbor,
it's gonna be
if
made.
you make something wrong, you're just going to be like, and you could hurt yourself, you know?
Yes, which is why it's gonna be super finely constructed.
Can I make it?
Like the body of the musket is painted like brown walnut or black walnut. Oh my gosh, you got bunny ears. One is coming out. Oh, Austin. Austin, let's do the bomb thing. Let's throw them up in the air and watch them explode. And let the fuel of those cars. I'm just kidding.
There's like all of a sudden 3 cars.
Oh wow, I think they're going to the store to buy fireworks. The store's probably closed.
Yeah.
Oh man.
They're going to the store to buy fireworks.
So here, throw it up in the air. Throw it up in the air. And then here I'll record it.
Are you?
Woohoo! Nice. Wait, what?
Just went right underground.
Into Moland. Some sort of
No
whoa.
land? No.
Moland. It's a place where all the burrowing creatures live.
It went down underground.
I wonder if we got any more of this stuff. I hear electricity sound. I think there's like a dragonfly. What's that sound? Like I hear. Wait, you have an electric mosquito trapper?
Mosquitoes are attractive, but other bugs are flies.
Let's go see. No way. I never see one in action. This is nice. There's the blue light over there. That thing is so dang loud. Other bugs are attractive, but mosquitoes aren't. Is there like something you put on there, like some sort of perfume or attractive liquid?
There is, if I wanted mosquitoes, yeah. There's something.
I mean, like mosquitoes are the worst, but ones that carry like the West Nile virus, tomato, curl. Those have costed over hundreds of dollars. Other bugs are attracted to it. So guys, the thing I was talking about to those guys, those were my friends if you were wondering, and we were just talking about stuff. The whole video is about the 4th of July and like the awesome fireworks. Hope you like it. People are shooting up hundreds of dollars worth of fireworks. It's basically a cardboard toilet paper thing filled with powder, and then it's lit on the sidewalk or the street. Hey, but it's the 4th of July, America's discovery. For some reason, the screen is just blue as heck.